Welcome to our video on the 8 worst plants to have in your home. While it's well known that plants can enhance our living spaces with beauty and tranquility, not every leafy friend is a safe or healthy choice for indoor environments. Did you know that over 10% of pet emergencies are due to the ingestion of toxic plants? And many plants, attractive as they may be, can pose serious risks to small children. Today we're going to unveil which popular plants might be lurking dangers in your home. We'll also discuss some mildly irritating plants, deadly ones, and a common plant you'll most definitely want to steer clear of. Don't miss out. This is information every plant lover and homeowner should know. Now, let's dive in and start our countdown. Kicking off our countdown at number 8 is the remarkable snake plant, a true warrior of the plant world. This hardy species is celebrated for its robust nature and exceptional air-purifying abilities, making it a common fixture in homes around the globe. Interestingly, unlike most plants, the snake plant uniquely releases oxygen into the air at night, promoting a healthier sleeping environment. But here's a twist. While it battles toxins in the air, it harbors a toxin that can cause nausea and vomiting if ingested. This makes it less than ideal for households with curious pets or adventurous little ones who might nibble on its leaves. So, while the snake plant is a champion at cleaning the air, it's wise to place it out of reach or opt for a more suitable green companion if you have young children or pets at home. Coming in at number 7 on our list is the Asparagus Fern, a plant with a bit of an identity crisis. Despite its name, this plant isn't a true fern at all. It's actually part of the lily family, but it borrows the fern moniker because of its fern-like feathery foliage. While it's a stunning addition to any home with its delicate, needle-like leaves, the asparagus fern has a darker side. It produces sap that contains chemical compounds, which can cause skin rashes if touched. These irritant properties are a defense mechanism in the wild, protecting it from being eaten. In homes, however, this means it can be quite unfriendly, especially to those with sensitive skin or pets. Yes, our furry friends are also at risk, as the asparagus fern is toxic if ingested, leading to a variety of unpleasant symptoms. So while its lush greenery might tempt you to bring it indoors, this plant is best appreciated from a safe distance. Sliding into the number 6 spot on our list is the pothos, also known as devil's ivy. This plant is a real trooper, famous for thriving in spots that don't get much natural light and practically taking care of itself. But it's not just a pretty face, though. Research shows that pothos can remove indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making your home healthier. Despite its benign appearance, pothos hides a secret. It contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause severe swelling and pain if ingested. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Toxicology found that plants like pothos are responsible for over 75% of the calls to poison control centers when it comes to plant ingestion incidents. Definitely not something you want the kids or Fido to chew on. And for a little trivia, did you know that pothos is often mistaken for the philodendron? Both are part of the Araceae family, but pothos' leaves are usually variegated with yellow or white coloring, while philodendrons generally have solid green leaves. So keep it up high and out of reach. It's great for sprucing up your air quality, just make sure it's seen and not touched. Taking the number 5 spot is the peace lily, a real crowd pleaser with its elegant white flowers and lush green leaves. It's more than just a pretty plant, though. According to NASA's Clean Air study, the peace lily can filter out harmful toxins like ammonia and benzene from the air, making it a popular choice for both homes and offices. But here's something you might not know. Despite its serene name, the peace lily contains compounds that are toxic to both humans and pets. If ingested, it can cause a burning sensation in the mouth, stomach upset, and sometimes even diarrhea. A bit ironic for a plant named Peace, right? And here's a fun fact. Despite being called a lily, the peace lily isn't a true lily at all. It's actually part of the Araceae family, closely related to anthuriums and philodendrons. So while it's a beautiful addition to any room, make sure to keep it out of reach of curious pets and kids. It's perfect for cleaning the air, but definitely not for a snack. Landing at number 4 on our list is the SEO Palm, a real stunner with its lush feathery fronds and stout trunk that can give any space a tropical vibe. But don't let its exotic appearance fool you. This plant is as dangerous as it is beautiful. Every single part of the SEO Palm is loaded with sikicin, a toxin that is particularly lethal to liver cells. According to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA, Sago palm poisoning cases have more than doubled in the last 5 years, making it one of the most deadly plants for household pets. Just a single seed can be fatal if ingested by your dog or cat. And while it's a nightmare for pet owners, humans aren't safe either. Ingestion can lead to severe symptoms like vomiting, liver failure, and sometimes even death. Historically, the sago palm is not just a modern ornamental plant. It's been around since the dinosaur era. So yes, it's survived the ages, but make sure it doesn't wreak havoc in your home. Keep this prehistoric beauty far out of reach of children and pets. Securing the third spot on our list is Dfin bakia, also known as dumb cane. This plant is a favorite for its lush, patterned leaves and low maintenance requirements. It can brighten up any room without asking for much in return. But there's a hidden hazard lurking in its striking leaves. Dfin bakia is packed with calcium oxalate crystals, which are sharp on a microscopic level. If chewed, these crystals can pierce soft tissues in the mouth and throat, leading to intense pain and swelling. In some cases, it can even cause temporary speechlessness. Hence the nickname dumb cane. Interestingly, this defense mechanism is quite effective in nature, deterring animals from snacking on it in the wild. However, in the home, it poses a significant risk, especially to curious pets and children. In fact, a study noted that incidents of plant poisoning often involve Dfin bakia, highlighting its notoriety in households. So while Dfin bakia might be easy on the eyes and care routine, it's best placed in an area where it can't tempt fate with your family's safety. Nearing the top at number 2, we have the classic English ivy. This vine is the epitome of old-world charm with its elegant, cascading foliage that can beautify walls and gardens alike. But there's more to this green facade. While it's a staple in many gardens for its lush coverage, English ivy comes with a caution tag. It's known for causing skin irritation and severe allergic reactions upon contact. The compounds in its sap can trigger dermatitis, making it a risky choice for those with sensitive skin. Moreover, English ivy is not just invasive in your garden, but potentially in your local ecosystem too. It climbs and covers swiftly, often overpowering trees and shrubs, and even damaging building structures over time. Interestingly, despite its drawbacks, English ivy is often praised for its air-purifying qualities, absorbing toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene from indoor air. But remember, its beauty and air-cleaning abilities might not be worth the risk if it ends up as an unwelcome guest who refuses to leave. So, handle it with care, or better yet, admire it from afar in places where it can be managed safely. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the oleander, a plant whose beauty is only matched by its danger. With its stunning array of blooms that can dazzle in shades of pink, red, and white, oleander is a popular choice for its decorative appeal. But here's where the beauty story takes a dark turn. Oleander is one of the most toxic plants you can have in your home. Every part of this plant, from its shiny leaves to its vibrant flowers, contains potent cardiac glycosides, substances that can severely affect the heart. Even a small amount ingested by pets or humans can lead to fatal consequences. Symptoms of poisoning include severe vomiting, slowed heart rate, and potentially lethal cardiac complications. Due to its high toxicity, oleander has been the subject of various studies and warnings from poison control centers around the world, stressing its danger in households, especially those with children and animals. While its blooms might tempt you to bring this plant indoors or plant it in your garden, the risks it poses are simply too great. It's a natural beauty best admired in a secure, controlled environment, or better yet, through pictures, far away from the vulnerable hands and paws of your loved ones. And there you have it, our rundown of the 8 plants that, despite their appeal, might do more harm than good in your indoor spaces. Snake plant, asparagus fern, pothos, peace lily, sago palm, dumb cane, English ivy, and oleander. While houseplants can enhance your home with beauty and even improve air quality, removing pollutants and increasing oxygen levels, it's crucial to choose the right types. Plants like these can be hazardous, especially in homes with young children or pets. Always do your research to ensure that the plants you bring into your living space are safe and suitable for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Also, please feel free to show your support by sending a super thanks. It really helps us out. And be sure to check out our merchandise for some unique finds that can add a touch of personality to your space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.